Do you know that you can edit more than 500 photos in less than 1 minute on your iPhone? Yes, it is possible. Welcome and thank you for clicking on this wonderful video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So just open your photos. Yes, so scroll and select the photos that you want to edit. So let's say I want to use this photo. I want to edit this photo, then all these other photos down here. So first of all, what you need to do is just take the first photo, then tap on edit. So tapping on edit, so let's just make any other changes, simple changes. So let me make it black and white here, or the silver tone filter here. So after choosing this silver tone filter, just click on done. Yes, so after clicking on done, look at the upper right corner, click on the option here, then select copy edit. Copy. So go back. Now select all the photos that you want to edit. So assuming I'm editing all these photos, so after selecting them, look at the down right corner here beside the delete icon, click on it. Now click on paste edit. So as you can see, I've been able to edit these multiple photos in less than 1 minute. This is very simple and easy. If you find this video to be very helpful, kindly leave a like, comment and subscribe for more videos.